За guys би бичлэгээ хийх гэж байна. Би зарим харуулдаг. За. Би өнөөдөр ямар бичлэгээ хийх вэ гэвэл өнөөдөр юм үзэн. Өнөөдөр Roblox тоглох. Би маргааш Grow Garden гэж тоглож амарсан. Миний сүгнээ шүү. Би маргааш л яа. Маргааш тоглохгүй ч гэж магадгүй. Би өнөөдөр юм үзэн. Юу ч үз тэнийг дуртай юм үзэж. Ингээд над юу ч гараад. Halloween гинэ. Оо. Юу өнөөдөр? Ой. What the hell? Билияц. Ямар юм үзэхгүй гэвэл агаад мэдгүй аим шиг юм үзчихсэн. Нэг аим шиг юм үзчих. Тийм ээ. Би ус руу харахгүй дэлхий хараад би өөрөө харуулж чадахгүй. Өөрөө яаж чадахгүй. За. Scary. Яг monster гэж бичүү. За.
If your dog
Scary TikToks, we are so back. Oh, let's freaking go. Are you watching this at night? Tina, I see you. You're in bed watching this at night. You should be careful, alright? There might be something on your bed. Sorry. Let's just get into it. Oh, not a crawl space under the freaking...
Би өнөөдөр заавалч очих болохгүй би.
This is giving me throwbacks to 2016. Who remembers the clown apocalypse that happened? Everyone started chasing people in clown costumes. Holy, was that like just their friend? Yeah, it's gotta be their friend, bro. I mean, that is a crazy prank. Actually, why was he recording too? I don't know. Bro, I was about to put up hands and like punch my monitor. I would have invited her in for a drink, but I was sleeping. Yeah, come on in. Quick tea for the road. Come on. Okay, I hope that's AI. I feel like I would have seen this on the news or something. I mean, I don't watch the news, but like, holy, that's a zombie. That is just a zombie. Fully. I don't like that one bit. What are you doing if you see this outside your door at 3 a.m., bro? Oh my god. It can happen. A zombie apocalypse could fully happen. Why do I kind of want it to happen, bro? I just feel like it'd be fun. I'm gonna regret saying that when it actually happens. You walk past a playground and see a mother pushing her son on a swing for 44 hours?
Okay.
Oh no. What is this story? Is the kid dead, bro? What happened? Okay, here's the description. In May 2015, police in La Plata, Maryland, responded to a disturbing scene. A woman had seen them pushing her 3-year-old son on a swing for nearly 2 full days. The mother, 24 years old, Ramochia Sims, had been at the playground up to 44 hours straight. When authorities approached, they realized the boy, J.R. Lee, had already passed away. J.R. Lee had died from hypothermia and dehydration. There were no signs of trauma or foul play. Sims had a documented history of severe mental illness. No, dude. No charges were filed. Okay, that is actually so sad, bro. What the heck? She just kept pushing him for 2 days, bro. What are you doing? Oh my god. That is awful, dude. What the heck?
Oh my god.
What are those? Eels? Oh! Oh my, there's so many of them. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like the look of that. Get that away from me. Oh, they're going crazy. They love that hunk of whatever that was. Holy, there's so many of them. Bro, imagine. Okay, how much money to jump right in there? Literally just jump into them. How much money? See, I don't know. I don't think any amount of money. 1 trillion. No, I don't even know about that, dude. Because would they eat me? Like, I don't think it's worth it. I like how the caption says, feeding a eel. That's, I think, a couple more than just one. That's probably 4 eels right there. Whoa, okay. This Walmart is going through the rapture. What is happening here? This is scary. Why are they doing this, dude? Something's going on. The birds know, bro. This is why Target's better. Okay, this guy was cleaning an old PS5 for his job. Oh my... How does this even happen? Oh, Bugs laid eggs in the system.
Yeah, my PS5's been a little slow lately.
It's not loading up. It's not even turning on. Can you check it out? Bro, that is disgusting. How does this happen, dude? You're just leaving, like, food, like, all around your PS5 or something, and then, like, bugs just burrow the way into the comp. Like, what? Guys, real quick, I never asked this, but hit that freaking subscribe button. We're trying to get to 25 mil. And also, I haven't really promoted this much on this channel at all, but I have a new game, guys. Did you know that? Yes, I made a game. Literally. It's called Water Park Simulator. It's right here, and the free demo is actually out right now. You can go play it. Go check it out. And then wishlist the full game. Early access coming very soon. So go check it out. First link down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys play it. It's super fun. I know you'll love it. I put my heart into this game, bro. Oh my. Oh, you looked away. You looked away. Oh, I knew it. Oh, nice jump. Dude. Oh, Jesus. Why'd that scare me? This is why I don't go into the ocean. Don't jump. Don't jump. Actually, jumping may help you here. Try to jump to that boat below. This is so good. Stop screaming at me. Jesus. Okay. Oh, you got caught. Oh, no. Whoa, this is insane. Okay, hey, that's just bad luck right there, buddy. That's just bad luck. Sorry about that, but you just got bad luck, bro. My top 5 best paranormal photos I've taken as a paranormal investigator. Is this one of them? I see a hand. That might be your hand. Okay, I'm not sure if this is one of them. Number 5. This was taken at Saratoga County Homestead. This is really hard to see, but it almost looks like a nun or a nurse looking out the window to see who arrived. You have to look very closer to see it. A nun or a nurse? Is it right here? Oh, it kind of does. Yeah, right here. That is kind of freaky, bro. Number 4. My profile picture cuts it off, but this was taken in Gettysburg, and it looked like a face and torso near the tree on the right. It does, like a super tall. You see this? You see that little guy right here? I think this is what they're talking about. But right here, and then a really long torso, like a super tall guy. Number 3. This was taken at the Shanley Hotel on the right. You can see a child peeking out from the door in the distance right here. Bro, I don't know if I could do a job like this, paranormal stuff. I would be down to do like a Sam and Colby thing. Hit me up. Number 2, here's where it gets good. This is at the Hinsdale house, where in the backyard my mom stood directly in front of a misty apparition. Oh, that's terrifying. Oh, what the? You can literally see it in the shadow too of the misty apparition. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, here goes number 1. I snuck this photo at the Mark Twain house where they do not allow photos. The circled face on the right is so clearly an eye and a nose, and the circle on the left shows a leg that looks like it's wearing an old army wear. Wait, yeah, that looks like a face, bro. Look at that. That's an eye. That is a nose. And then this looks like someone peeking out from the corner or something. Interesting. A leg that looks like it's wearing an old army wear. I don't see the leg. Not too sure what they're saying about the leg thing. Huh. It's creepy either way. It is creepy, bro. Okay, moving on. I'm a little spooked. Let's continue.
2010, a young couple arrives at the Budget Lodge Motel just outside Memphis, Tennessee.
Budget Lodge.
The surprisingly quiet neighborhood makes it a reasonable place to
Hey,
stay.
that guy?
As the couple unpacks,
That guy they walked past?
you notice a sour smell lingering in the air. It isn't unusual for a place like this. It's enough to make them pause.
There's a dead body.
To tolerate the stench, the couple reports to the front
There's a dead
desk
body in the closet.
with the manager. Listen.
guys. ini yang mulai. Itu nih, хамгийн юм гаргаад өчөөч. Яа зүгээр л юм гаргаад. За
Offers a
ихээ.
half-hearted apology and asks them to wait in the
Яг
lobby
би
for
яаж
30
юу
minutes
томрох
while a staff
вэ
member
гэдгээ би
cleans the
ойлгохгүй
room.
юм л та.
Fresh linens and half a bottle of Febreze later.
There's definitely a dead body in one of these closets or something. But what they would see that, no?
By the low price. Over the next 6 weeks, the same room is rented out again and again.
Намайг
What
би
started as a sour smell
яг
has grown into an outright foul odor.
Yeah, there's it.
Stay there.
There's something, bro. It's under the bed.
By the time the 5th guest checks in,
Бити
the manager is fed up with the ongoing complaints.
га
He orders a thorough deep clean, calling in every available housekeeping staff member to
Like
scrub the room from
that.
top to bottom.
How are they not fighting? Oh, you saw that?
like sap
Wait, did you freaking see that? Look at this.
Every available
бичлэг
housekeeping staff member to scrub the
like
room
sap
Who's that?
дараа
Who's that?
from top to bottom.
таалагдаагүй байсан
They
ч хамаагүй
shampoo the
дарах
carpets,
шүү дээ.
scrub the floors, wipe down the walls and clean the ceiling.
Яа
The
инээдтэй
mattress is
би.
swapped out, the linens replaced. But despite their efforts, the odor never fully disappears.
Bro, it's not the mattress.
Аа
There's a
би
freaking
Bad
body.
decision. He'll clean every inch of the room himself,
дугасаа
slowly,
өөр
clearing furniture one piece at a time. When he gets to the bed, he crouches down, rips the
I knew it!
it.
Whoa, okay, I called that. I called that.
Yeah.
Wait, how do they not ever do that, though, cleaning it? That is crazy. And, like, they're not gonna know who did it because there's been
별명 45 아니?
That's энэ хүрээ бичлэгээ дуусглаа. Яг шууд дуусч байгаа гэвэл миний 3 юм устсан. За дараагийн бичлэг дээр уулзъя. Bye bye. Нэр like sub. Okay? Comment too. Okay guys. Гэтэ яг ахнараа like sub дараад гэж